Welcome to the remove.bg desktop app demo. Trusted by numerous professionals, the remove.bg desktop app empowers you to efficiently edit thousands of images by simply dragging and dropping, all without the necessity of a browser. Tailor your app settings effortlessly to generate bulk outputs that align with your business requirements. Today, we'll guide you through the capabilities of the desktop app, the seamless process of setting up the app, and a walkthrough of the various features. With the remove.bg desktop app, you can process your images in high quality ensured by the state-of-the-art AI, remove or replace backgrounds 100% automatically in bulk, add and remove automatic shadows in bulk, process images with your custom backgrounds in bulk, and get your image results in PSD format. First, let's begin with downloading the remove.bg desktop app. Simply type remove.bg desktop app in your preferred browser and click the first link that appears. You will be taken to remove.bg's official website where you should click Download App. Once the download is complete, open the installation file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the app on your desktop. With the app installed, let's set up your account to unlock all the features remove.bg has to offer. Click on the Settings icon on the top right and follow the prompts to log into your account or sign up. Once you click Login Sign Up button, you will be directed to remove.bg website automatically where you can log in or sign up. The desktop app will automatically recognize this prompt and log you in. If you aren't redirected to the app, click Try Again. When you make your account for the first time, this will not only get you access to the desktop app, but will also give you 50 preview images per month and even scores you a free HD credit. Now that you're all set up, let's explore how the app works. remove.bg allows you to effortlessly bulk remove backgrounds from your images with just a few clicks. Whether you need a transparent background or want to replace it with a unique color or design, remove.bg desktop app makes it simple and efficient. On the top left is a plus sign where you can select your images. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop your images. You can upload any image that is a JPEG, PNG, or a TIFF file. You can select three types of background removal: transparent background, colored background, and design template. Transparent background option removes the backgrounds of the images and you can download the results in PNG. If you would like to add automatic shadows to your images, make sure the Add Shadow box is checked. If you'd like to get the output file in PSD format, you need to mark the checkbox Photoshop file, and the results will be saved as PSD with a fully editable layer mask. Colored background option replaces the backgrounds with a color of your choice. With this setting, the output will be downloaded as JPEG. You can use one of the display colors, but also any color you like with the color picker. Design template option allows you to batch process the images with your custom-made design backgrounds. The output format will be JPEG. remove.bg has several existing design templates you can use. However, you can also create a unique template that fits the requirements of your business images the best. Next, you select the output size you prefer. Auto bases the output image on the input image size. Full image allows the images to be downloaded in the highest available resolution. Preview only means your images will be automatically resized to match the preview size. Under Output folder, you can manually select where your output images should be saved on your local computer. Now, let's go ahead and demonstrate how to remove backgrounds. Drag and drop your images into the desktop app. Once your images are important, click Start to run the AI. Your background cropped images will be saved in your Output folder. Alternatively, you can import your images using the plus button, as well as change your Output folder to where you wish. Now on to the second type of background removal, colored background. For this feature, make sure to select Colored Background option in the desktop app. Select the background color of your choice and once again either use the plus sign or simply drag and drop your images to the app and click Start. Let's move on to the Design Templates feature. There are different templates for different use cases, such as Product Photo Optimizer, Car Photo Optimizer, Sky Replacer, and many more. Let's use the Product Photo Optimizer template as an example. In order to use it, select it from the drop-down menu and click on Try this design template. You'll be redirected to remove.bg's website. Choose from the different backgrounds available and even give your image an automatic shadow. Once you're happy, click Save as Design Preset. Give it a name and save. But that's not all. Another unique way you can use the Design Templates feature is to integrate custom backgrounds to remove.bg desktop app and have your output images processed with this background. From the desktop app, select Change Image Background Template. Click on Try this design template and you will be once again redirected to remove.bg's website. Click on Select File and upload your custom background. Then go ahead and Save as Design Preset, give it a name and save. Your custom design preset is now available in the app. If you don't see it immediately, try closing and reopening the app. From there, simply select your preset and the background will be applied to all of your images. There you have it. With the remove.bg desktop app, removing backgrounds and creating stunning designs in bulk have never been easier. If you have any questions, please contact our support team at remove.bg.